In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable post flares to categorize content in Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn on post flares in your community, where to find the settings, and how to start organizing posts so your subreddit feels cleaner and easier to navigate. First, make sure you're logged into the Reddit account that has moderator permissions for the subreddit you want to edit. You need to be a mod to access these settings. Once you're logged in, head over to your subreddit's main page. You can do this by clicking your profile icon, choosing your communities, and then selecting the subreddit you want to manage. When you're on your subreddit, look for the moderator controls. On desktop, you'll usually see a button or link labeled Mod Tools on the right side or near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Mod Tools. This will open up the moderator dashboard where all the key settings for your community are located. Inside the Mod Tools panel, you'll see several sections that control different aspects of your subreddit. For enabling post flares, you want to find and click on Look and Feel. This section is where you manage how your subreddit appears, including things like themes, emojis, and flares. Once you're in the Look and Feel area, locate the option labeled Post Flare. Click on that to open the post flare settings. This is where you'll actually enable and configure the categories that appear on posts. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts. Reddit will guide you through setting up your post flare system. Typically, you'll be able to turn post flare on, create new flare labels like question, discussion, or news, choose colors, and decide whether users can select flares themselves or if only moderators can apply them. Take a moment to think